Coming from Clarendon is Knox Junior School, and from St. Mary is Carron Hall Primary. The team talk.
This is Knox Junior School. Champions in what year? 2011.
Looking to knock Carron Hall out of the competition is 2011 champions Knox Junior School.
I think we have underachieved because we're a former champion of the quiz. But I think a number of factors have caused us not to do so well in recent years. But fingers crossed, we should make a good showing this season. This team battle hardened because 2 of the 4 who will play today, they played last year, so they will be better for the experience. We should have advanced until the last year, but a number of simple errors in terms of how to play the match, because they're smart children, but it's not just knowing the stuff, it's about how you actually manage the time and all of that.
I feel great. I think this team will do well, knowing that some of the members were here from last year. I think we can learn from our mistakes and do better this year.
Time now for section 1, where both teams will be asked questions alternately with 10 seconds to answer and 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier, Knox Junior School won the toss and they decided to have Carron Hall Primary play first. So Carron Hall, we begin with you in Bible knowledge. Which of Jacob's sons was known as the dreamer?
Joseph.
That's correct. Knox, Bible knowledge. While in prison in Egypt, whose dreams did Joseph interpret?
The 2 prisoners.
That's incorrect. It's the butler and baker. Carron Hall Science, seafood and kelp are major sources of which mineral?
Protein.
That's incorrect. It's iodine. Knox Science, which mineral helps to prevent anemia?
Iron.
That's correct. Carron Hall Jamaican Affairs. What is the main town in each Jamaican parish called?
Parish capital.
That's correct. Knox Jamaican Affairs. Which parish capital, when translated to English, means plains by the sea?
Savannah.
That's correct. Carron Hall English language. According to the proverb, what usually flocks together?
Birds of a feather flock together.
That's correct. Knox English language. According to the proverb, what has a silver lining?
Every cloud.
That's correct. Carron Hall Television, which cartoon character is known for the line, "What's up, Doc?"
Bugs Bunny.
That's correct. Knox Television, which cartoon character is known for the line, "Eat my shorts"?
Donald Duck.
That's incorrect. It's Bart Simpson. Carron Hall General Knowledge. Who is famous for his "I have a dream" speech? Time's up. Knox, would you like to try?
Yes, miss.
Go ahead.
Martin Luther King.
That's incorrect. It's Martin Luther King Jr. Knox, still with you in general knowledge. In which month do new U.S. presidents take the oath of office after being elected?
November.
That's incorrect. It's January. Carron Hall Social Studies. Santiago is a major city in which South American country?
Chile.
That's correct. Knox Social Studies. Quito is a major city in which South American country?
Ecuador.
That's correct. Carron Hall Music. What is the meaning of the term pianissimo?
Piano.
That's incorrect. It's very soft. Knox Music. What is the meaning of the term staccato?
Strong.
Say again?
Strong.
Oh, that's incorrect. It's short and detached. Carron Hall mathematics. What is 5.6 multiplied by 9? Time's up. Knox, would you like to try?
5.04.
That's incorrect. It's 50.4. Knox, still with you in mathematics. What is 7.9 multiplied by 7? And time's up. It would have been 55.3. That brings us to the end of section 1.
9 questions were posed to both teams. Knox attempted 2 extra, bringing their question tally to 11. They got them both incorrect, however, failing to take advantage of the situation. Carron Hall Primary 5, Knox Junior School 4.